Memo wakwaba weba Opoku nsia so. I welcome you to the program Learn Tree with Opoku. Today too we are continuing our series of lessons on tree phrasal verbs. And today we are looking at two phrasal verbs. However, there are two ways of saying each of them. So stay tuned. Good. The first phrasal verb that we will consider, we'll first of all consider the normal way of making a statement. And then we'll consider how to use phrasal verbs to make the same statement. Assuming you are walking or running, and I want to say, be fast, walk fast, or run fast. At the normal daily conversations, I will say, ka That means what? Hurry up with the walking that you are walking, or hurry up with the running that you are running. Good. At the same time, I can also use phrasal verbs to say hurry up with your running or your walking. In that sense, I will say mawananso. When you say mawananso, literally it means what? Raise up your leg. But the actual meaning is that hurry up. Hurry up with your walking. Hurry up with what? Run with the running that you are running. Hurry up with it. Mawananso, meaning walk fast or run fast. Mawananso. And as I've informed you earlier on, with phrasal verbs, the meaning is not necessary. Depends on the individual words that are forming the phrasal verb. So if you look at this one, mawananso, which literally means raise up your leg, it has no bearing somehow with the actual meaning, which means what? Run fast or walk fast. Mawananso. Walk fast or run fast. Good. I can also use another phrasal verb for this same activity. And that one I will say mawanai moto. Literally that means what? Let your leg hit your buttocks. Or let your foot hit your buttocks. Mawanai moto. That means hurry up. Be fast. Walk fast. Run fast. Hurry up with the walking. Run fast or walk fast. Mawanai moto. Let your foot or your leg hit your buttocks. Mawanai moto. It means what? Fast with your walking or running. Mawanai moto. So we have mawananso and then mawanai moto. They all mean what? Run fast or walk fast. Mawanai moto or mawananso. However, these two phrasal verbs can only be used when you want someone to run fast or walk fast. But in case you are doing any other activity, you are not running or you are not walking, but say you are eating or you are writing something and I want you to do it fast, I will not say mawananso and I will not say mawanai moto or ka. I would rather say yenontentem or yenontem. Do it fast. Yenontem. Do it fast. Yenontem. Yenontem is what we use in normal daily conversations, and children who are learning the language at the first time, this is what they are introduced to. So when you say yenontem, a child who is learning the language understands that. Yenontem. But if I want to use phrasal verbs Or if I want to use a more matured statement, then I will say maunhonyeha. Maunhonyeha. Literally, I say let yourself be hot fast. Maunhonyeha. That means hurry up with the work. Maunhonyeha. Maunhonyeha. Hurry up with the work. Sometimes too, somebody may be working and you realize that the person's attention or his mind is not at the workplace. He is forgetting himself, very sluggish, and in that sense, you can tell the person, kekaunho, okay, kekaunho, meaning let your mind come here and work as fast as what possible. Kekaunho, meaning stop being absent-minded. Try to refocus your attention on the work that you are doing so that you can be fast and efficient. Kekaunho. And when we say kekaunho, it could also mean it's time for you to act. Kekaunho. You have kept silent for too long. It's time for you to act. Instead of saying that long statement, you can say, kekaunho. Kekaunho, you are a man. It's time for you to act. So you say, kekaunho. It's time for you to act. So, what have we learned? We have learned kaunho. That means hurry up. But this one, we use it to refer to what? Somebody walking or running. And the phrasal verb that we can use in this instance are maonaiso. Run fast or walk fast. Or maonai morto. Literally, it means let your foot or your leg touch your buttocks. However, they all mean run fast, walk fast. And if someone is doing any other activity other than what? Running or walking, then you could say yenontentem. Normal conversation, we say yenontentem. But if you want to say it in a matured way, then you could say kekaunho, or maunhonyeha. And we also use kekaunho to mean what? It's time for you to act. You have kept silent for too long. Now is the time for you to act. Kekaunho. Good. This is where we will draw the curtains down. But we have more up our sleeves. So watch out for more. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. A thumbs up will also be very much appreciated. You can also share. Advertise this channel to all your friends and family. Thanks for watching.